Every home needs a quick fix for those little breakages. That's why Sika's Super Glue range is the perfect go-to glue for fast curing, strong adhesive needs.
That's right, Lara. If I had $1 for every time I snapped a pair of sunnies, toys, or needed a quick fix for shoes, picture frames, ceramics, you name it.
Sika's range of super glues come in 3 handy viscosity combinations and are perfect for small bonding jobs on materials such as metal, plastics, rubber, fabrics, wood, paper, and loads more. Sika F40 has really low viscosity, meaning it is really runny, so great for bonding breaks along really smooth surfaces. Today, I'm using it on this bit of loose leather. Simply perforate the tip of the tube, screw on the nozzle, then apply a small quantity to just the one surface. Then press the pieces firmly together for a few seconds. Done!
If you need a glue with medium viscosity, then Sika F100 does the job. Application directions are exactly the same as Lara just showed, but because it's of medium viscosity, we're using it today to fix this broken plate. There, good as new.
And lastly, there's Sika FGL, a non-sagging gel which is perfect for bonding vertical surfaces, keeping your glue just where you need it.
For specific fixing times, refer to the pack. Remembering, ultimate bond strength will be achieved in 24 hours, and keep it away from your fingers.
Sika F40, F100 and FGL, the ideal toolbox companion for every home and garage. Sika, building trust.